welcome back to our 8th session of maths class. Okay, yesterday I had given some homework of how to form 3-digit numbers. Okay, some I have explained and 4 questions I had given in your homework. Okay, so I hope you all have done. Now today we'll be doing exercise 2.1, which is given on page number 22. So please open your book, page number 22, and get ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, so exercise 2.1, page 22, question number 1. Question number 1 here is form the 3-digit numbers by writing the hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so here and the same way these blocks are drawn in your book. Okay, you just have to count the blocks of hundreds, then tens and then ones, and accordingly you have to write the numbers in these boxes, and then we have to form the numbers. Okay, so let's start. Now here, see this first question, see in your book, how many blocks are there? There are 2 blocks, okay, 1 and 2. How many? These are the blocks of hundreds, these are the blocks of tens, and these are of ones place. Okay, so how many hundreds are there? 1 and 2. Okay, so here we'll write 2 hundreds. Okay, then how many tens are there? Just count 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many tens are there? 4 tens. So here we'll write 4. Okay, now how many ones are there? Blocks of ones here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, how many ones are there? 5 ones. Okay, 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. Now what we have to do is we have to write the numbers at these places. Okay, 5 ones, we'll write 5 at ones place, 4 tens, 4 at tens place, then 2 hundreds we'll write at 102 will write at hundreds place. Okay, so the number formed is 245. Okay, the number is 245. Now next question, how many blocks of hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? Let us count 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. Okay, now how many tens are there? Only 1. 1 10. So here in next block write 1 10. Okay, only one single unit is there, so we'll cut S. It will be 1 10. Okay, now third, how many ones are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 3 ones. Okay, 4 hundreds, 1 10 and 3 ones. Now we'll write this number at this given places. We'll write 3 at ones place, 1 at tens place and 4 at hundreds place. Okay, so the number formed is 413. Okay, the number formed is 413. Okay. Okay, now see third question, how many blocks of hundreds are there? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many hundreds are there? There are 6 hundreds. Okay, there are 6 hundreds. Now no tens are given. Okay, no blocks of tens are given. Nothing is at tens place. So what will write at tens place? We will write 0. Nothing is given for tens place, so we will write 0. Okay, now how many blocks of ones are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, how many ones are there? 4. So here we'll write 4. 6 hundreds, 0 tens here 4 ones. Okay, now we'll arrange these numbers here and this place is 4 0 6. Okay, the number formed is 604. It is 604. Okay, now these 3 questions I have done on board. Other 2 try it by your own. Okay, count hundreds, write in the block, count tens, write in the block, and then ones. Okay, and then in the same way you have to form the number. Okay, okay, so now question number 2, fill in the missing numerals. Okay, fill in the missing numerals. Now here we have to fill up the missing numerals. Okay, we have to write the missing numerals in the blank blocks given here. Okay, some of the numbers are given and we have to fill these blocks with the help of these numbers. Okay, so let's start. The number begins from 105. Okay, 105. Now what will come after 105? It will be 106. Okay, 106. 106. Now what is given? 107. After 105, 106, 107. Now the next number will be 108. Okay, 108. Now next number 109. Okay, 109. What comes after 109? It is 110. Okay, how will we write? 110. Okay, 110. 110. Okay, now after 110 we write 111. 111. Then 112 is given. Now 113. Okay, then 114, 115, and then 116 is given. Okay, got it? Now next question. The number begins from 294. Okay, so what will come after 294? 95. Okay, so we'll write as 295. The next number will be 295. Okay, then 296. Okay, 296. 297 is given. Now 298. 298. What will come after it? 99. So we'll write 299. 299. Okay. Now here, what is at tens and ones place? 99. Okay. So now next number will be 300. Okay. Hundreds place will change. It will be 300. Now 3 will be at hundreds place and the number will begin from 300. Okay, now here 300, then 301. Okay, 299, then 300, 301, 302. Okay, 303, 304 is given, then 305. Okay. Now next number is we have to begin from 351. Okay, so what comes after 351? 352, then 353, 354. Okay, 355, 356 is given. Now next number will be 357. 357, then 358, 359, 360 is given. After 360, 361 and 362 will be the last number here. Okay. So in this way, you have to count forward and fill all these blocks. Clear? Okay. Okay students, now come to page number 23. Okay, page number 23. Question number B. Okay, here what do you have to do? We have to fill the missing numbers between 801 and 850. Okay, we have to fill the missing numerals between 801 and 850. So let's start. Now, after 801, what will come after 801? 802, then 803, okay, then 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809 and 810. Okay, first line is done. Now what will come after 810? 811. Okay, next number is 811. Now continue. 812, 813, 814, 815, 816, okay, then 817, 818, 819, 820, okay. Second line is also done. Now, what will come after 820? It will 821. It will be 821. Okay. Now again continue. 822, 823, 824, 825, 826, 827, 828, 829 and 830. Okay, from 831 to 830. Okay, now fourth line. What will come after 830? It will be 831. Okay, then 832, 833, 834, 835, 836, 837, 838, 839, 840. Okay, from 841 to from 831 to 840. Now what will come after 840? It will be 841. Okay, now continue from here. 842, 843, 844, 845, 846, 847, 848, 849, 849 and last number given here is 850. Okay, so in this way you have to fill the numbers from 801 to 850. Okay, this was question number D. This was question number D. Now you have to do question number E. See here, it is given on the same page. Question number E, you have to fill the numbers from 901 to 970. Okay, this will be your homework. You have to do in your book itself. Okay, now next question is write the numerals. Okay, so now our next question is write the numerals for the following. Okay, first we'll do this first side. Okay, now questions are written on the board. First question is 145. Okay, now how will we write the number for it? See first the number name. What is written here? 100. Okay, 100 means, okay, what is at hundreds place? 1. Okay, we'll write 100. So here what will we write at hundreds place? 1. Okay, now 100, hundreds place is written. Now what is given for tens and ones place? It is 45. Okay, so the number formed is, the number is 145, 145. Okay, now next question 286. Okay, the number name is 286. Now what is given for hundreds place? 2. 200 means 2 will write at hundreds place. Okay, so 2. Now what is given for tens and ones? After 200 it is given 86. 86. So 8 and 6 form the number 86. So what is the number? 286, 286. Okay, now third question is 770. Okay, now what is given for hundreds place? What is given with 100? 700. Okay, so we'll write 7 at hundreds place. Okay, we'll write 7 at hundreds place. Now what is given for tens and ones? It is 70. 70. 70. So the number will be 770. Okay, 770. Now next is 470. 470. Okay, now what is given with 100? 4. Okay, 400. So we'll write 4 at hundreds place. Okay, we'll write 4 at hundreds place. Now what is given after 100? 70. Again we'll write 70. Okay, the number is 470. 470. Okay, now next is 881. Okay, 881. Now what is given with 100? 8. So 8 will write at hundreds place. Okay, now what is given for tens and ones? 81. Last 2 digit is 81. So we'll write 81. The number is 881. Okay, now last here 901. Okay, now what is given with 100? It is 9. Okay, so we'll write 9 at hundreds place. But what is given here for tens and ones? Only 1 is written. Okay, only 1 is there. Nothing is given for tens place. So nothing is given for tens place. Nothing is written for tens. So here we'll write 0. We'll write 0 at tens place. Okay, and then last ones place is 1. So the number is 901. 901. Clear? Now we'll do second side. Okay. Okay, now next side. First number name is 109. Okay, so now you know what to write at hundreds place. The number name which is given before 100, the spelling of 100. Okay, so 100, write 1 at hundreds place. Okay, Now again see here, only one number name of only this one digit is given, 9. Okay, so this is for ones place. So here 9 will write at ones place. Nothing is given for tens, 40, 60, 70, nothing is given like that. Okay, so here at tens place we will write 0. Okay, so the number is 109, 109. Now next is 659. Okay, at hundreds place we will write 6, then 4, 9, 49. Okay, so 649. The number is 649, 649. Now 999. Okay, we'll write 9 at hundreds place and then 99 at tens and ones place. Okay, what is 999? The greatest 3-digit number. Okay, now 580. Okay, 580. Here we'll write 5 at hundreds place, 500, we'll write 5 at hundreds place, and then 80, 80, 80. Okay, the number is 580. Now 555. We'll write 5 at hundreds place, here it is 55, so here we'll write 5 both at tens and ones place. Okay, so 555, 555, 555. Now last one is 292. We'll write 2 at hundreds place. Okay, 200. So we'll write 2 at hundreds place and then 92. Okay, tens and ones will be 92. So the number is 292, 292. Okay, so fill all these answers in your book. Okay, so now come to page number 24. Okay, page number 24, fourth question is given. Write the number names for the given numerals. Same I have written on the board. Okay, so pay attention now. How to write the numbers, 3-digit number name of 3-digit numbers. Okay, in last session I have taught you how to write the number name. First you have to divide the number in 2 parts. Okay, hundreds and tens and ones. Okay, hundreds and tens and ones. See here, this is 3rd digit hundreds place and this is tens and ones. Now you know how to write the number name of 2-digit numbers. Okay, this is 11. Okay, so now we write as 1 is at hundreds place, so we'll write 100. 100. What is the second part? 11. So here we'll write 11. Okay, so number name of 111 is 111. Okay, now again next number is 161. Divide the number in 2 parts, in hundreds and tens and ones. Okay, so now its number name will be 100. 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, so 100. What is the next part? 61, 61. The next part is 61, 61. So here we'll write 61. Okay, we'll write 61. Now these are the places. Okay, now again divide the number. This next number is 260. Okay, 260, 260. So divide the number in 2 parts and then write the number name. Okay, 2 is at hundreds place, so we'll write 200. 200, 200, 60, 60. Okay, 260. Okay, now next is 724. Divide the number. 7 is at hundreds place, 24 is at tens and ones place, 24. So this number will be written as 7 is at hundreds place. So we'll write 700. Now what is given? Tens and ones is 2, 4, 24. So here 24. Okay, now you know all the number names of 1 and 2 digit numbers. Okay, now next is 815. Again divide the number in two parts, 8 and 15, hundreds and tens and ones. Okay, then 8 is at hundreds place, so write 800. Okay, 800. Then what is at tens and ones place? 1, 5, 15. Okay, so write number name of spelling of 15. Okay, now here the number is 950. Okay, again divide the number. 9 is at hundreds place. Okay, so we'll write 900. 900. What is at tens and ones? It is 50, 50. Okay, so we'll write the spelling of 50. Clear? Now these questions I have shown how to write the number name. Okay, now rest of the questions you have to do by your own. Okay, practice it by your own. Okay, try to write the number names of rest of the questions from 551 to 691. Okay, and here you just have to match with the help of scale. Okay, here you have to match the block to the correct number. Okay, this is hundreds, tens and ones. Now numbers are given, just count the numbers at different places, form the number and match with the correct number. Okay, this is also your homework. Okay, now do all this homework in your book. One is this one, then this question was given in homework, is given in homework. Then here from 551 to 691 writing the number name, and you have to match this blocks with the correct number. Okay, so do complete your work. Okay, and take care. That's all for today. Goodbye.